Look. Them niggas ain't playing.
Yes, sir.
Them niggas ain't playing. They going to get them team
sir.
shoulders right now.
Go get his. Whose store is that?
Damn, niggas is still coming out. What you got, bro? Let me see what you got.
Nike.
Big bro, what you got?
Oh, why?
Let me see what you got.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now, this is not a music with a reaction like I normally do. I'm gonna react into people looting. You understand me? For one, this is not going on in Jamaica. You know, I have most of Jamaicans watching me, and I find it's not funny. Don't get me twisted. It's not funny, but I just find it hilarious. These people are having the time of their life looting, man. And my understanding as to why they're looting was, well, I'm just giving you my opinion on why people are looting right now. It's not because of all protesting and what happened. I'm not going to even address that. We all know Black Lives Matter, but I'm not going to address that real quick. But they're protesting because of what happened. Look, we was just in lockdown, quarantine. We couldn't go out. No one was working. People lose their jobs. They ain't got no food in their house. You get it? That's why people are looting. That's my understanding of why people are looting, honestly. But other than that, some people are just like taking advantage of it, yo. Like the clothes. Anyways, I'm just gonna react to these videos for real. I find some of them real funny. It is not funny. I don't influence it. You should not do it for real, yo, because you're affecting the businesses that are there for you. Like, come on, burning down gas stations and. But anyway, let's get straight to this video, guys. Let's see what's popping with this for my Jamaican audience out there. Y'all ready for some this funny as hell. Alright, let's get straight to this video, guys. Let's see what's popping right here. First one up right here.
Is this your car? Did you leave your car to go get some sneakers? What did you get? At least show me what you got. Show me what you got since you left your car. Hold on, let's see. Let's see what you got here. Let's see what you got. You left your car in traffic, man.
Yeah.
You got right? You good?
Yeah. Look at that. She's smart. She's proud of that.
These motherfuckers is crazy as hell. Come on, man. Damn, the pregnant shit got right.
He was a pregnant lady, bro.
This shit crazy, boy. Rover for president. Rover for president. Boy, you know the vibes. I learned the algorithm from Rover. Look. Them niggas ain't playing.
Yes, sir.
Them nigks ain't playing. They going to get them team shoulders right now.
Go get his. Whose store is that?
Damn, niggas is still coming out. What you got, bro? Let me see what you got.
Nike.
Big bro, what you got?
Oh, why?
Let me see what you got.
Pull your pants up, bro. She got a cooler.
She came out here with a cooler. Niggas got Timbs out here. Oh, damn, big bro, you came up.
Ooh.
Niggas ain't playing. Niggas got Timbs out here.
Damn.
Yeah, because that shit she did was dirty.
And guess what? As you can see,
niggas is on the curb.
As y'all can see, it's not only black people doing this shit. It's everyone. You understand me? It's everyone. Everyone doing this. That's
all
crazy.
that. Curb shit. That's what I'm talking about. Curbside service.
Curbside pickup. This is curbside pickup. Look at that. No, bruh.
She going back. She ain't playing. She going back. She going back.
No, man, God, man. Oh my God. Everyone's going shopping. We shopping today. Yep. This is got a ski mask on. Corona mask. What Corona mask? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Why your hands empty? Oh, one thing. That's only one thing, bro. I'm going.
Can somebody give me a Yankee hat? I'll pay you.
See, some of them are gonna get one shit. That's all they want when they come. This is the busiest.
Yo, hold on. Let me see those. Let me see those. That's what I was
open. I'm telling your ass that.
Where Big Bro at?
This store has never been that poppy. Is this New York? She back out. You get there's nothing left.
They on the sale items now.
Yo, you got the chick in the wheelchair coming, my nigga. I quit. The chick in the wheelchair is about to get right, my nigga. I'm done.
She in a wheelchair with it, man.
I'm about to go back in there though.
Big bro, these is yours? Damn, I'm just snatching keys.
Damn.
Yo, why is this child standing here? Why is this child standing here? Why is it no? Get this child out of here. Take that child across the street. That child should not be here at all. She got a box. Yo, shorty, I need a Yankee hat. I need a Yankee hat.
This is crazy, guys. I got a few more. I got two more. I got two more right here, guys. Or three. What? Oh my gosh, man. You see why I said like I'm gonna just post it up, put it. I know you guys be seeing them on Instagram or whatever. That same place I found them, but oh my gosh, man. We got this one right here. I got another one right here real quick. I think this is I'm not sure, but let us see what's popping with this one. It's like 2 minutes. Damn, I don't know what kind of store is this, but this looks like it had shit. They was putting a board over the windows. I can see. Break that. Oh, look at her. She just waiting. She just there. She chilling. She waiting. She waiting in the car. Look at her at the car door. She's like, she just watching out. And cops ain't coming. That's crazy. Damn, these dudes are at work. They got the whole trolley. They got a trolley. A trolley. Crazy, man. That's a whole vacuum right there she got in her hands. They ain't in no hurry, as you can see. That's chilling. Oh, it's just crazy how they doing it, man. And as again, once I say again, I don't permit the looting for real, man. If there was looting some food, I would get it. But damn. What kind of store is this? Hey, let me get my turn though, bro. Yeah, let me in. Damn, I need my turn. Oh yeah, she finally goes in. Oh no, she was waiting on them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sounds like the cops are coming. They're moving fast now. We got another one right here real quick now. This is one of Luther Strike stores in New York City. So this one is in New York City, guys. Oh my gosh. This is the final one I'm finna share with y'all. Alright, let's go. See, these two cars waiting right there. Some curbside pickup, man. They're loading that shit up. It's crazy. What's that? Is that the store's like money shit or something? What the hell is that? Are those ATMs, bro? What's that? This is what I don't want to do. What I'm gonna do, I don't know. Oh, I'm gone. Bye. Damn. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna end this video real quick, man. I ain't gonna do this. I ain't gonna do this, guys. For real though. If there was that getting some food or whatever, I would get it, man. But damn, the protesting was cool and all. I saw the purpose of the protesting, but the looting, man. The looting, why? I don't get it. For real. Why do you think they are looting? You tell me down below in the comment section. Even if I get to post this video, cause you know YouTube, yeah. Nope. So let me know what you guys think about all of this that's going on right now in the world. It's messed up. It was Corona. Social distance. No one cares about none. You know what? I'm not gonna talk y'all here off. I was gonna make a whole story time about how I feel about the whole situation. But I just do what I do best, which is reacting, and this is what I do best. So I just like, yeah, I'm out.